In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video on Windows 10 using Handbrake. If you've been wanting to trim away unwanted edges of a video without losing quality, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to launch the Handbrake application on your computer. It's a powerful open source tool that's really handy for video conversions, and in our case, cropping videos. Once you've opened Handbrake, there are two ways to load your video file. You can either drag and drop your video directly onto Handbrake's interface, which is quick and easy if you have your file at hand. Alternatively, you can use the open source button, which allows you to navigate through your folders and select the video file you want to work on. With your video loaded, the next step is to click on the Dimensions tab, a crucial area for modifying the size and shape of your video. Within this tab, you'll find a section labeled Orientation and Cropping. To make sure everything will be customizable, change the anamorphic setting to None. This setting allows you to adjust the video's dimensions without it automatically adjusting to maintain a specific aspect ratio. Speaking of aspect ratios, ensure that the Keep Aspect Ratio box is checked. This is important to maintain the natural proportions of your video, unless your intention is to stretch or squash the image. Now for the cropping itself, change the Cropping drop-down menu to Custom. This will reveal 4 fields: top, bottom, left and right. These fields allow you to specify how many pixels you want to trim from each side of your video. Adjust these numbers according to how much you wish to crop out of each side. Once you've set the cropping parameters, navigate to the output settings. Here you decide the quality and format of your resulting video. You can select the video and audio encoding settings that suit your needs, whether you're looking for high quality output or a smaller file size. Handbrake also offers predefined presets for common devices and resolutions, which can be quite helpful if you're aiming for a specific output compatibility. When you're happy with your settings, go ahead and click Start Encode at the top of the interface. This button initiates the process of cropping and encoding the video with all the settings you've chosen. Depending on your computer's performance and the file size, this could take some time, so be patient. Once Handbrake completes the process, you'll find a new video file saved to your specified location, featuring the beautiful crop you've just made. Congratulations, you've learned how to crop a video using Handbrake on Windows 10. With this skill in your toolkit, you can now easily control the framing of your videos for all your creative projects.